Sairam, all the viewers. Today I'm going to make a video on how to make vegetable rice in my style. And now we'll see what the ingredients are. Main things are cabbage, onion, beans, potato, carrot, cauliflower, chili, capsicum, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and all these you can see in my plate. All the vegetables and 2 cups of soaked rice for 10 minutes. And all these veggies are very colorful, and along with all these veggies we have taken tomato pieces, 1 small cup of tomato pieces, spinach leaves and Malaysian spinach leaves which is rich in iron, and ginger garlic paste. Let's go into method. First of all, take oil in the cooker and add mustard seeds and jeera. Then add onion pieces, potato, beans, carrot. Stir it well and add salt and turmeric powder so that it will be cooked nicely. Then cauliflower, capsicum, cabbage. Stir it well. Then tomato pieces. Stir nicely. Then add our curry leaves, coriander leaves, Malaysian spinach and all the spinach we have, and ginger garlic paste. Stir it well. Then add red chili powder, garam masala powder. Then stir. And our main ingredient, very secret one, very nice one, which gives taste to rice. This is 1 to 3 fried rice masala. I am putting 2 spoons here. It gives very good taste. We love it. Stir it nicely. Now it's time for adding water. I have added 4 cups of water because I have taken 2 cups of rice. Check for salt, then put little more if you need. Then add our rice which is soaked. Then stir it nicely. Then I think we can close it with the lid and keep it for cooking. Let it give 3 whistles. After it cools down, take out the whistle and open the lid. Now it's ready to be served. It's nicely cooked and very colorful too. Serve hot and have it for breakfast or lunch. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe too. Thank you.